Really, to me, the assembly area has got massive job satisfaction because we work in one-man teams. We get a vehicle in a rolling chassis stage, and when it leaves it's essentially ready to go to the customer. We see the whole build from the ground up, and there is a great amount of satisfaction in just watching it roll off the line. I'm Adam Bell, I'm assembly technician here at Arkonik. We'll get the build in a rolling chassis form. It will have had the engines and the first part of the electricals done already. Obviously all the panels won't be fitted, although we do have the tub and the wings on. After that, we're really building from the ground up. Everything that the client specified in there for their build, really just make it into a really individual for that client, which makes it an interesting job. During the build, we're trying to get everything to fit to a level that was never really achieved by Land Rover. Every single part we fit has to be modified in some way. From things like bumpers to even panels themselves have to be modified just to get the right fit. I mean, we aim to be millimetre perfect. Land Rovers originally weren't built millimetre perfect, they were barely inch perfect. So we're really ending up with a product that looks better than Land Rover ever would have produced. Everything we do is done slightly differently to the way Land Rover would have done originally, just because the way that we need to see things leave here, the quality has to be that much higher. So we're looking for our shut lines to be bang on us. Obviously we're trying to get the body built up in a way that does the bodywork and the paint that's been done to it, that does it justice. For example, when we fit side panels, we glue the seals in, then there's a secondary foam seal added. We then have another silicone seal, which obviously means we've effectively got 3 seals down the side panels, which helps protect against the elements and stops water ingress. The door build is a quite labour-intensive process, and it has to be done to a really exacting standard. Otherwise, the doors won't operate correctly. There's a lot of moving parts in the door, and everyone has to be fitted millimetre perfect. Otherwise, you end up with rattles and bangs where you don't want them. Since I first started here, it was clear to me that it wasn't about the speed that we built, it was about the quality, and that really is the difference. Anything that we add to the vehicle, it adds another degree of skill needed to fit it, because there are a lot of bespoke parts. Really, with Arkonik Defenders, there's nothing else like them. The range of options is mind-boggling, and still never built 2 trucks the same. They are truly bespoke vehicles.